should do it.
I already did.
I'm on?
Yeah, you are.
Okay, so we've already seen how the Ford Ranger is the toughest truck ever built. We all know that. We knew that already. And I just personally want to find out if it's actually made for heavy hauling. And so we're going to see if it'll pull the backhoe. And Junior back here thinks I'm an idiot for even trying. But we're going to prove him right.
I'm an idiot? I thought it was a good idea.
We got to do a test first though. Before I go put a gooseneck ball hitch in the back of this truck and spend hours doing that, I'm going to see if it'll just pull it on level ground. Hopefully the chain don't come off and kill a cameraman. On the brakes?
At first.
Is it on? In order to tow any heavy load, you have to have a fifth wheel plate, and you see those on the back of semis all the time. And although we don't have one of those, we have access to be able to make a gooseneck hitch. And I don't have the right metal for that, but just be glad I'm not using plywood, because I thought about it and I don't think we have enough nails to make that work. But before we make that, and before we waste our time doing any of that, we got to take this tank out of here because it's worth more than the truck. And there's like a couple gallons of fuel in there, and if we spill that fuel, I mean, it's enough for George Bush to go to war over out here.
Who's George Bush?
Let's get to building this thing. Here. Just use that. Stick it in there and pry it out. Do the next one.
Okay.
Can't get it?
Nope.
Let's see.
Wow.
Man, this is taking forever.
Mine's stuck.
Who would have ever thought that's how it's held in?
Okay.
This could be for the safety chains. Okay, if I remember correctly, this tailgate doesn't really come out like it used to. I mean, come open. So when you guys wasn't looking, the lifting elves showed up and helped us lift all of our tools that are still left in the old bed liner out of the back of the truck. And we made a really cool discovery. Somebody back in the day was really going to take care of this truck, so they put a bed liner over a bed liner. I would take this and just roll it to the front for now. I don't want to damage it, especially if we're going to try to sell it for millions. How was there more junk underneath it? Oh my gosh.
There's so many bullets. It's like layers, layers, layers. We can back it out and we can sweep it out.
Yeah, no. So, I think this will actually work because I'm pretty sure this, which you can get in there and look, but I think these are going through the frame. This is too long. So, now we just need to figure out how far forward we can put it. And I'll just weld the ball to it. I just want to see if this will work. See, it's cutting pretty good.
What do you mean? Can I see?
Can you see?
Using saw or grinder.
I think I'm using saw ball. What are you doing?
Holding the vise.
You don't have to do that. I don't think.
I'll have faster to grind it.
So we cut through it a little ways, and then my blade broke. But I have an idea. Okay, as you can see, that almost worked, so I should get a few points for that, and I guess we're just going to have to beat it off. It's just barely on there. Fell right off. that ain't a clean cut, I don't know what is. I don't know why we just didn't unscrew it. I learned how to weld when I was a pipeliner. Huh?
Is this a damaged bolt?
Yeah. If somebody does their hitches any different than this, they're going to pay for it. And if anybody does it any other way, they're going to regret it.
Oh, yeah.
You agree?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Okay. Can it put some down in it? Got it.
Sweet. Did you see it pull the bed down? So now the bed is secure, the ball is secure, and we're ready to tow some stuff. I'm so excited.
Never mind. Hammer's useless, but that hose came off.
Woohoo!
Wasn't connected to anything.
It is the moment of truth. We're going to see if Junior's right or if the genius is right. We're going to take our Ford Ranger, we're going to hook up this trailer and do a test tow, maybe, if it doesn't collapse under that. And then if that works out, we'll hook it up to the backhoe and see if it'll tow it. Think it'll do it? Yeah. Oh, now he changes his mind. Now it'll do it. Where do they need to go?
The truck needs to come forward a little.
I learned to operate when I was on the pipeline. That's how I'm so good at running a backhoe. And we forgot to weld safety chain holders in. It's definitely one of those license and registration loads, if you know what I mean. Just seeing how much like it pushed down on the bed there.
It was going up. Now it's about fine.
Yeah. Okay, second gear, no problem. Doesn't even phase it. Pulls great. True story. Well, it is time to load this machine on that trailer. And I would be lying if I said that I wasn't a little bit nervous. But it tows the trailer like a dream. Acts like nothing's back there. I know it's going to do great. Time to load it. Doesn't even flex the bed. Wish me luck. Got it. We made it on the hard ground just fine, but when we drove out here to make a big U-turn in the soft ground, it decided that it didn't want to do it. The reason it didn't work is because our chain broke. While we still have a little bit of clutch material left, we're going to try this one more time, and we're going to try to go down there and turn around and come all the way back. And if it doesn't work, I'm not going to consider this thing actually usable to be able to tow this. Yes, it'll move it. We're on nice hard ground. It is slightly downhill, and once we get off of this road, I don't know if it'll actually do it or not. I'm going to try to get a few more RPMs though, and we're going to try it. It just barely takes off. Shut up. And we're off. That's 15 mile an hour. Can't go that way. I gotta go this way. Oh, it's gonna do it. Hopefully we get back to the hard ground. Oh, it is rough. We're almost back to the hard ground, and it is all it's got. Look at that, we're gaining speed again. It's doing it, it's got this. Let's see if it'll stop. Here's the next test. Look at that, I cannot believe how good it's handling it. That's insane. Okay, this is round 3 of actually moving this thing around. And this will probably be the last round because my titties hurt from bouncing. Wait, can you say on YouTube? And is it gonna take off? Oh, it almost took off. That's gotta count for something. Oh, we're in a little bit of a hole. Here we go. Okay, this is round 5. Must be a little low spot there. See if we can back up some. There's gonna be no clutch left in this thing at all. Pulls it like a dream. Look at that. He thought it couldn't do it. Oh. Hopefully we get back to some hard ground quick. Look at that. Nothing. Once you get it going, you never even know what's back there. It actually rides kind of smooth if you don't mind getting the wind knocked out of you every couple of seconds. They're gonna get second gear. We're doing it. Oh, they're second. Very slightly downhill. We're level ground now. Yeah, this is nothing. I'd take this over a Ford diesel any day. Okay, let's go to first and make our U-turn here. Here we go for the hard part. It is rough. I don't know if he's gonna make it back this time or not. Oh yeah, look at that. So close to the ground, the hard ground. Ugh. I gotta get a bra if we're gonna keep doing this crap. Yeah. These puppies hurt. Other than that, it pulls pretty good, rides good, probably still gets good fuel mileage. Wouldn't be scared to turn the air conditioner on if it worked. Yeah. Nothing. Let me know what you want us to pull next. Yes, we were.
No.
You owe me 20 bucks.
No.
You lost. It pulled it. And I used probably 50 bucks in gas just driving around proving you wrong.
That's your problem.
No, that's your fault. No, it's your problem now.
Nope.
Then you're unloading it.